Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to refund your Brawl Stars Game Pass in 2024. Now, if you've been playing like me and you bought the Brawl Stars Game Pass, as you can see here, and you want to, you didn't like the price or whatever reason it may be, and you want to refund, you can't actually do it. So to do so, all you need to do is tap on the three lines or hamburger icon on the upper right corner of your screen like this, and this pop-up will appear. Now you want to tap on settings next, like so. And here in settings, what you want to do is tap on help and support. It is under block friend requests and above parents guide. So tap that and you're going to be brought to this screen. Now, before we actually go show you how to do this, if you tap on purchases here, as you can see, it's going to say, it's going to give you two options: missing purchase and in-app purchases. If you tap on the plus sign on in-app purchases, this drop down will appear. And as you can see here on the third option is Brawl Pass refunds. If you tap that, it's going to say, when a Brawl Pass is refunded, we revoke the gem value of the bundle from your account. So that means you can actually refund it, but you will have some of your resources taken from you, right? So how do you do this? It's very easy. All you need to do is you see this blue chat bubble on the upper right corner of your screen. All you need to do is tap that, like so. And here, what you want to do is tap on leave a message, this blue highlighted leave a message under contact us, like so. And here, what you want to do is tap in new conversation. There you go. And here, what you want to do next is leave us a message like this. And you're going to see refund Game Pass. Right? And after that, a customer support representative will get to you and we will be able to talk to you and we'll be able to refund your Game Pass. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.